How to open GO2 bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open GO2 bank account. So first of all, just visit the GO2 bank account official website, and here you will see this option called open an account at the top right. Just click on that, and after that just scroll down and click on I am not a robot, and after that just click on get started, and here you have to enter your email address. I'm entering mine, and just click on continue, and after that just enter your full name and your last name and just click on continue again, and here just enter your address and just click on I agree and your consent, and after that just click on continue, and after that just enter your mobile number and just click on continue. And once you enter your mobile number, they will send you a code that you have to confirm here. And after that just go ahead and follow all the instruction and fill in all your details, and after that you will be able to create your bank account with GO2 bank. So this is how you will be able to create your GO2 bank account online. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.